Hey, Tam's Healthy Kitchen community. This is Tamara, and I am back. It's been a very long time. I've been working on a few other projects. I have a couple of other channels out there, but I knew it was time to come on back. If you notice, I've changed the name and the mission of Tam's Healthy Kitchen to Tam's Healthy Kitchen and Garden. Yeah, I am an avid gardener. I am growing so much of my own food now, and I wanted to come in and inspire you to do the same if you're not already doing that. And also, there are going to be recipes as well. Um, if you are still on that vegan path, I'll tell you my story as to why I'm no longer on that path of the extreme diet and what I learned along my way. But it's still all about health, it's all about vitality, and all about taking charge of our lives and living well. So stay tuned. There'll be lots of uploads about what I've been doing, what I'm doing now, and I look forward to hearing from you. We've been together for a long time. I hope we continue on our journey together. So, hey, y'all, I'm back. See you soon.